I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Done na, guys. And dinamihan ko ng spinach, guys. Para more milk kay ate. Good morning, guys! So, ngayon, pupunta na tayo kala ate. And, dinala ko na rin yung tinola. Tapos, nagdala na rin ako ng rice. Niluto ko na yung kaninang umaga. And, nagising ako, guys, 5:30. So, sana okay pa. Kasi 9 yung dating namin doon. And, it's currently 7:11. And, sana magustuhan ni ate yung luto ko. So, baka dumaan na lang kami ng McDo, guys, for breakfast. Kasi hindi pa kami nakakapag-breakfast. And, late ko na rin ginising si Tem, mga 6:30. So, yeah. Let's go, guys. And, makikita ulit natin si George, guys. Kasi nanganak na si ate, diba? So, yeah. Let's go. And today nga pala, guys, yung car, papalitan na namin. Ibabalik na namin yung dati naming car. And, kukunin ni Tem yun. Then, i-drop niya muna ako kala ate. Then, after nun, siya na lang mag-ising kukuha ng car. Tapos, babalik na lang siya pag nakuha niya. Ikaw pa rin.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
いや、これでいいや。
かけて
ホットコーヒー。ミルク。
勝手に飲むのか
ミルク。
そしたら
飲むよ。
そしたらこれ単品で買えばいいじゃん。で
わかった。それ単品でいいや。
なんもない
いらない。
本当に
水ある。
私何しようかな。ソーセージマフィンのセ
ちゃんと
ット
食べてね。
ソーセージマフィンでいいや。
大変お待たせいたしました。お伺いいたします。
はい、すいません。ソーセージマフィンのセット1つと
はい、
で593のクーポン1つください。
593。
はい、
はい。お飲み物お願いいたします。
いらない。
出てきて。
で野菜生活でお願いします。お願いします。
イチャイチャしちゃったね。
お先に
はい、ありがとうございます。
Umorder kami, guys, ng si Tem pala. Ng kagome na
お待たせいたしまし
すいま
た。
せん。ケチャップ
vegetable
一ついただきます。
juice. Then,
ありがとうござい
sausage
ます。
muffin. hash brown. And sa akin guys is yung bacon hash pie. So, yan. Bacon potato pie pala. Yan. Better.
Since I hit your phone, I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out.
So, yan guys. Malapit na kami. And ako na lang yung bababa guys. Kasi si Tem diretso na dun sa kuhanan ng car. Kaya mamaya babalik na lang siya after. Before lunch or after lunch?
It's the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see.
Momsy. Momsy. Popsy will gonna come later, huh? Sleep, sleep, my son. Sleep, sleep, my son.
Yan guys. Kainin na ni ate. I-mix mo muna. Mapapanis yun eh.